This is Oppo Reno 5G smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you want to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and most universal way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your display so that the notification and control center will be launched. In here, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Then long press, add the shortcut. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it. And in here at the very top of the page, at the network details page to be exact, you'll be able to tap on the Wi-Fi QR code section. And as you can see, after that you will be presented with the actual QR code, which you can scan with any other device, and well, the mentioned device will be automatically connected to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.